In this video, I'm going to show you how to have multiple pages on Neocities. Now first, you want to go inside your dashboard here where you have your files, and you want to create a new file as a new HTML. Now index.html is going to be your default site or page, but if you want another one, you can click on new file and give it a name and then do .html. Now this one is just simply going to be contact.html, just like this, and I'm going to click on create. Now there we go. As you can see, it's created it and we have it over here. I can go ahead and edit it if I want to, and this is basically where you have to put in a bunch of different things, of course whatever you want to have on your second page, whatever that page is. And over here I do have a simple index, and if you want to now link those pages, it's actually not that hard. You can do it just like this. Let me show you. You want to open up your index, and then whenever you want to have the link, I'm just going to put it here at the bottom. You can put this in over here, so a and then href equals quotation marks, and then you have to basically put in of course the name of it. So I'm going to name this one contact. There we go. And then here you can put in your text. I'm just going to do a second page and then contact, like this. There we go. I'm going to leave it like that, press on the save button, click on view, and you'll be able to see here, it's going to basically pop it up. There we go. It's actually put it in the bottom right, but it's going to do for this video. I can now click on the second page here, and it's going to take me to my second page. This is my page, the second one over here, and you can also switch between them by just changing your link up top over here. So as you can see, if I click on contact, it's just going to add /contact over here at the top. And yeah, if I were to put, for example, index, it's going to put me on the of course main page, and there we go, just like this. You can add as many pages if you want, and of course essentially edit them and have them inside your site. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.